ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jeff. I'm from theboxman.com. And what I have here are two of the Formuler remote controls. One is the BT1 remote. You can tell because of Google Assistant here. Also, the power button is different than the one here, the STB. This is the IR remote. They look exactly the same. The functionality is a little bit different. One, because of the Google Assistant button. And two, because of the power button. And third, the TV or set-top box, the button will simultaneously connect with your TV. So you're only using one of these Bluetooth, one of these remote controls just for one device. That means you don't have to have three different remote controls. So what I wanted to do and what I did do is I'm going to connect this Bluetooth remote to the Formuler Z11 Pro Max so you can see some of the functionality that it works and integrates with the remote control app on the device, and how that device is like a captain's chair in your hand. So let's go to the next part of the video and see some of the differences. See you there. All right, what we're gonna do is we're going to go ahead and try and attempt to connect the Bluetooth remote to this Z11 Pro Max. Now, normally you can do that because you have to put it in search mode, the remote control. And to do that, it is the OK button and the menu button at the same time. So I'm going to hit that right now. And now I'm in search mode there. And what I'm going to do is go down to the bottom here and go to Bluetooth. And then I'm going to add this accessory. And you can see that there's the Formuler GTV right there. So I'm going to highlight that and click on it and let it pair. Now it's paired. And it gave me a definitely ID number or a MAC ID number to the remote control. So you can see that I am connected with this Bluetooth 1 remote, GT1. So the next thing you're going to want to do is hopefully you can set up Google Assistant. So let me go ahead and press the Google Assistant button at the top, the color-coded button right there. Open YouTube. Let's try that again. Open YouTube.
Opening YouTube.
So the Google Assistant was already set up because I connected my Gmail account, and now you can see I'm able to open that up. So let me get out of there real quick. Open Tubi.
Opening Tubi, movies and live TV.
And there you are right there. So what you're finding out as it opens up Tubi is that anything, and this is what I love about Formuler devices, to include the GTV, which I did a video about. It's funny, anything, not funny, it's magical that they thought it out. A lot of Bluetooth remotes, whether it's from like a Super Stream or Super Box, they are Bluetooth, but they don't open up every application with your voice. They only open up maybe the main applications, maybe 6 of them, a little bit with the voice. But these, if you install it from the Google Play Store to your device and you have a Bluetooth remote, it will open it up. So let's see if I can do it one more time. Let's try one real quick, okay? Open Downloader.
Opening Downloader by AFTV News.
And there it is. So it opened up Downloader all by itself. I'm going to go ahead and clear all of that by hitting the red button. So you can see the power of the Bluetooth remote. Now, one of the things I love about, one of the main reasons why these devices are so stinking powerful, because they interact with almost every aspect of the Formuler device. If you're going to spend that amount of money, whether you buy from us on a payment plan, which we offer, or you get one of the one and dones, any one of the Formuler devices. When you have a remote control application that works not only with the legacy side, but also the infrared, the regular ones. But here's the BT1. When I click on this, you can see that my brand of TV is Samsung. It connected. My battery life is 87%. The firmware is there. If I want to set up the volume control, I can. Or I can set up the hotkeys. Now, on this remote control, as you can see, the great picture to the right, some of the things that it does when you have the different hotkeys. So I've done a video about this, but the hotkeys, these are the color keys. You can return it to default. So if I chose this hotkey, here it is. If I do a single tap, it's going to open up My TV Online 3. If I double tap this, it's going to open up the mouse because I set it up. If I long press that button at the top there with the 4 dots, it's going to mute everything. All right. Those are some of the things that you can set up as hotkeys, so they can go ahead and you can personalize the device so it works the way you want, and that's really nice. Now the color keys are the color keys. Every time you can set those up. So I got my red key opening up My Family Cinema. I have my green key opening up YouTube. I got my yellow key opening up Super Smart TV, and I have my blue key opening up Unlinked. So let's try those just so you can see. So let's go ahead and go with blue key. Let me get out of this. So if I hit the blue key like this, it's going to open up that right there. That was Unlinked. Okay. The second thing I want to open up, let's say I do the yellow key, it is going to open up Super Smart. This is like a launcher page that I've been playing with. Probably one of the most powerful launcher pages that you can put on any device. And it even it will let me put it on a Formuler. It will let me do it. I don't want to do it. All right. I can choose Super Smart TV right here, and it will become my thing. But right now, lean back launcher is the current default, and that's what I want right there. So I'll go back to the home page. Okay. If I hit the green button, it's going to open up YouTube. And that's what I really, really love. Let me try that again. Green button, YouTube. All right. I got my mom and dad, Robert Astor, rest in peace. Miss them greatly. And if I did the other one, it would open up My Family Cinema, which I'm not going to open because I'm probably going to put this on YouTube. With that said, that is a hotkey. All right. So right now I'm going to go through a little bit and show you some powerful things as we go into My TV.